I'm getting ready to head out, and I'm gonna make myself a smoothie to take with me. I'm gonna use a packet of oatmeal, strawberry oatmeal, and I'm gonna be using my new little blender juicer. Comes with, of course, the base. You get a cup here where you can blend your juice and then take it with you in this, or a to-go mug, and it comes with a lid and a straw. So this is what I'm going to use. Okay, so I'm going to add half a banana right in here, and some strawberries, vanilla. This is so cute and super convenient. Just blend it up and take it with you in the same cup. I'm going to add some strawberry oatmeal, add some oat milk, and of course a little bit of peanut butter, because who doesn't like peanut butter? Just like that. And I'm going to put a little bit of ice in here. I'm going to close it with my, I don't know, blender top. I don't know what this is called, but I'm just going to put it down like this. And then we're going to turn it on. Y'all, look at that. That is so awesome. Perfect. Stick my straw in there, my lid, and it's ready to go. Cheers, y'all. I'm gonna link it below so you can go check it out. Super cute, super convenient to just make your shakes or make your smoothies to go. I already have the cup. Go check it out.